Hi Jessica, you look beautiful today.
Thank you, David. You're always so sweet.
So, how was your day?
It was good, but a bit busy. Work kept me occupied. How about you?
Same here. I had back to back meetings, but I couldn't wait to see you.
Oh, that's so nice of you. By the way, did you plan anything for this weekend?
I was thinking we could go for a picnic. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. Where should we go?
How about the lake? It's peaceful and we can take some nice photos.
Perfect. I'll prepare some sandwiches and snacks.
Great. I will bring drinks and a picnic blanket.
Deal. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Spending time with you is always the best part of my day.
You're such a romantic, David.
Only for you, Jessica.